Hey, I'm Sue Carney. Welcome. Let's explore painting with pigments and interference color powders. Yum. Payne's Gray is my absolutely favorite base color. I can't wait to try Payne's Gray as a swiping color. I wish I had thought of this sooner. Like before, I invested in a whole bunch of oxide black recently. Oh well. So I've got 3 kinds of Pearl X pigments that are new to me. One called citrine. That's citrine. One that's a duo color, violet brass. I think that means that you see one color from one angle and the other from another. And then this is their interference gold, which may not show up as very gold. I'll show you at the end. This interference gold came up really slowly as the medium and the base dried. Just going to put a few drops of these 2 color shifts, because that's what happened. They called to me. And these are also 2 colors, so they display differently depending on the angle of light, I guess. I'm just playing with these for the first time. All right, I already see I have more paint on here than I expected, which often happens when I'm talking and making art at the same time. I'm still going to do what I had in mind, though. Part of the fun and fascination of painting in layers like this is that I get to wait until the medium dries back to see what I'm going to get. Here it is as it began to dry, and now side by side you can see how it began to look a few hours later. And here it is dry, where you can really see all the colors, the citrine and the interference gold. I'd love to know what you think. Please comment, ask any questions that may come up. Please subscribe, share, tell your friends. See you next time. Thank you.